Hi, welcome back. I'm sure you're really enjoying the past videos. If you have not watched our past videos on imagination game, the suggestibility test, do it right now. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I'm a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I started learning hypnosis 1972 and started teaching hypnosis 1977. I have students all over the world in 176 countries. Now my friend, watch this video, learn from it, practice on yourself first and then do it on others and have fun and keep coming back to our next videos. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now and please click on the button on the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we are going to put a new videos, and I'm going to put a lot of videos in the future, all practical videos to learn hypnosis now. Right now you're watching videos on suggestibility test. I call it imagination game, and you can have fun with your friends. So watch it now and then come back to the next videos. Thank you. Okay, welcome back again, and I'm sure you really enjoyed all the previous lessons. If you have not watched them, go back to the videos there. And now we're doing a different way of doing the same technique, and most of the stage hypnotist does that, and it is really powerful and really very interesting. So watch it now, right now. Are you ready?
Yes.
Make your hand like this now, down. Focus here. Keep focusing here. Push down, push down, push down, push down, push down. And as you're pushing down, imagine that your fingers are locked. You cannot separate your finger. The harder you try to separate, the more tighter. So try, but you cannot. The harder you try, the more tighter. Now you cannot. Wonderful. You cannot. You're trying. Now when I snap my finger, your hand will be released, your finger will release, and feel wonderful. Interesting, eh? Yeah. Really interesting?
Yeah.
Good. Now, this technique, again, work on the previous thing. It has to go down, not like this, straight. And when the people are focused, if they don't focus it also, if they put their hand down and look up also, it will work very well. Why? Because little bit physiological, and then your suggestion given there. So do this right now. If you do it on yourself and do it on somebody and have fun. Now, if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell button to get notified for the new videos which will be coming soon, very soon. So enjoy this, have fun, and see you in the next video. Hi, welcome. I'm sure you really enjoyed this exercise. Now find a friend, do it on them, one friend or two friends or three friends, up to you. The more you do it, the better it is. And now, if you really want to learn these new things practically, I conduct a workshop on hypnosis regularly. So click on the link below and check the dates and register immediately. And I have a lot of other things available. So please go and check the links. And now, if you have not, again I remind you, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now and like it. Click on the like button and share it with your friends, and click on the notification button so that you get notified every time I put a new video, which I am going to do a lot of them now. So thank you very much for watching, and come back to the next video. Thank you.